There's a few things to consider as you're looking at installing windows that have black window frames on them. This is it's a bold move, and so you want to make sure that other areas of your house that you're not changing or can't change, that those colors are fit in with the darker window frames. If you're changing your siding at the same time, then you're able to get a color that's gonna complement or contrast that effectively. But if there's brick that you're not considering changing, if there's some stone work or a roof that's not being replaced, you want to make sure that those color combinations work well with black windows. There's certain colors that just don't go that great with a black window, and this is with the products that we're using, aluminum and fiberglass on these darker window frames. This is a pretty permanent choice that you're making, and so you want to make sure that while it's a bold move, that you're doing something that's gonna aesthetically, that's gonna look good with your black windows.